Hi there, Luke here with another video. For those of you unfamiliar with our channel, my husband Tyler and I make weekly travel videos where we document our experiences since moving from North America to the UK. If you watched our last video, you'll know that we had just finished visiting some of the northern regions of Portugal, and in this video we're going to the exact opposite end and going to southern Portugal, specifically the Algarve. If you enjoy these videos, please be sure to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and a tip with the super thanks button, as that is super helpful for this channel. So, to access the Algarve, which was our last region of Portugal that we were visiting on this trip, we drove from central Portugal all the way to southern Portugal. We based ourselves in the town of Faro, which you may have heard of because it is quite a popular Algarve resort town, and we just used this as an opportunity to recharge and regroup after about 3 months of continuous travel at this point. One of the main highlights for us of visiting the Algarve was a visit to the popular Benagil Caves, which are only accessible by water, so in other words by boat, kayak, or stand-up paddleboard, for example. We personally went on a boat trip exploring the various sea caves and cliffs along the Algarve, and that included a stopover inside the Benagil Cave. The most well-known of the rock formations is the Cave of Benagil, or the Gruta de Benagil, where the Algarve de Benagil is also located. This gigantic cave is sometimes referred to as the Benagil Cathedral because of the various arches it forms, which, viewed from the outside of the cave, give it the appearance of a cathedral. The Michelin Guide considered Benagil Cave to be the 15th most beautiful cave in the whole world. The hole in the roof is often referred to as the famous Eye of Benagil Cave. After this, we enjoyed a nice coastal walk near Lagos before soaking up the sun at a nearby beach. We finished off our day with a beautiful horseback ride along the sea cliffs at sunset. We had a guided tour in the Vicentina Coast Natural Park with a company called Adventure Riding. We had such an amazing time and would definitely recommend it to anyone visiting the area. The following day, we did a morning visit to the stunning Praia da Boneca with a picturesque wooden staircase descending to the beach below. Another spot in the area worth visiting is the Ponte da Piedade, which is a stunning series of coastal rock formations with caves and grottos. We couldn't get enough of the beautiful rock formations in this area and just simply enjoyed walking along the cliffs and taking in the views. Alright everyone, that's it for this video, and it is also it for our Portugal series. We had such a blast exploring Portugal over this 2-week period, and we also super enjoyed sharing it with you guys. If you enjoyed these videos, please be sure to give a comment, like, subscribe, and if so inclined, a tip with the super thanks button, as that always helps support this channel. If you're wondering where we headed next, we actually headed all the way to the opposite end of Europe, to Eastern Europe, starting with the country of Romania. So stay tuned for that. Believe me guys, there is so much to see in Romania, and I can't wait to share it with you with the next set of videos. See you then. Bye!